So I still remember when my parents used to take me back from the hostel when we have winter or summer break. So this happened just few years back, that I was going through my mobile phone and I just saw the pictures of my parents, and they were standing outside the gate waiting for me to come outside. And I remember that I clicking that image from inside my hostel gate. So I thought even my parents had this dream to get the higher education. They had this dream to go to school and read some books so they can educate their children in future also like that. Now my mother and my father also belongs to a small village, very small village, and my father was the first man who could able to pass fifth standard in his village. Now I am talking about the village where they have to go to 1 or 2 kilometers to school outside the village. And at that time I could understand clearly that my father sacrificed his career for his kids, me and my sisters. Now I think that wherever we reach today, our parents have played a very important role in that, a very critical role. Not only what they actively taught us, and at the same time what we have learned from them passively. Now I have learned many things from my parents, but in this video I will talk about the one key learning which I have learned from my father, and that really helped me in my life. Actually my mother also taught me so many things, but in this video I will talk only one key learning. So the key learning is this, that my dad is a very strong personality. I will not say that he is unemotional, but he is not very demonstrative. He never will say that I like you, I love you. He is always very conservative type of person with his words. Maybe because of that, but despite of the fact that my father has worked extremely amount of work for his family, the education, the marriage of sister, everything he had handled. Despite of the fact that he has done everything for his family, he had 7 brothers and sisters, and but unfortunately he couldn't able to manage the good relationship with them. On the other hand, my mother had a very good relationship with all of them. So now my mother had this right to, she can do anything want to do with the relationship of my father with his brother and sisters, including his parents, but she tried her best to ensure that there is certain degree of peace, harmony and love between the relationship between my dad, his sister and brothers, including parents. So she had all the rights to breaking this, but We know this example, but on the other hand, she tried her best to maintain the relationship, and this is no matter what she had done, and this is the I learned from her passively, that whether someone is cheating on you, or whether someone is harming you, but until and unless that person is not harming you physically, just because few people are not behaving, as per your expectation, not necessarily you have to break that relationship. No. So the one key learning which I have learned from my parents is importance of building a relationship. Whether your relationship is good or bad, but not necessarily that every relationship will reach the peak, but it's better to maintain the relationship. So thanks for watching the video. But my question to you is that what is that one lesson you have learned from your parents, maybe your mother or your father, that helped you to reach where you are today, or that you think will help you to reach where you want to reach in your life? So this is Anchal Singh signing out until we meet in the next video.